Hi everyone, welcome back to Simple Steps tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a digital signature in Microsoft Word. This is really helpful if you need to sign letters, assignments, or professional documents without printing or scanning. First, open your Word document and go to the place where you want the signature. If you already have a scanned image of your signature, simply go to Insert, then click Pictures, and choose your signature file. You can resize it and place it exactly where you want. If you don't have one, you can draw your signature directly in Word. Go to the Draw tab, pick a pen tool, and use your mouse or touchpad to write your name. This gives a handwritten effect. Another option is to use the signature line feature. Go to Insert, Text Group, Signature Line, and you'll get a box where you can type the signer's name and title. This is useful for more formal documents. Once your signature is inserted, you can copy and save it so you don't have to redo it every time. Just paste it into any new document and adjust the size. And that's it. You've just learned how to create and insert a digital signature in Microsoft Word quickly and easily. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple tutorials.